So all week long it's been low vibing, sketchy ass energy. I've literally been in a funk. Yesterday I had the offer of an evening out, and I was so reluctant, I didn't want to do it. Eventually I did, and turns out that after a week of a lot of negative energy, fighting with a lot of negative energy, I should say, to dress up and go out after sweating all week. So I've worked out every day last week, and while that's really good for the spirit and the mind, and it keeps me focused and keeps me thinking with a straight head, it's also not enough. Sometimes you have to see people. Do you know what I mean? I don't think it's possible that the only people I see in a day are my children and one or two others, and the others are strangers I meet when I'm pounding the pavements. Do you know what I mean? It's nice to interact with other humans once in a while. So it turns out that's exactly what I needed, so that's what I did. So I dressed up and I thought I looked pretty cute actually, and I hit the town for a bit. Honestly, it's been such a long week, and I've been mostly in sweaty clothes and casual wear. So sometimes when they say, would you like to go for a drink? The answer has got to be yes. Cheers.
Ça tue, ça blesse, ça flingue. Aïe, aïe, aïe.
And the result of that is today I'm in a much better mood. Yesterday I couldn't do any editing or any podcast related anything, and today I woke up feeling quite refreshed actually, and I recorded a podcast with an old friend, a boy, so that's very exciting. I'm looking forward to editing that. It was interesting, and also I'm feeling pretty refreshed. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be better able to cope with my outstanding tasks now that I've put on some lippy and gone out, listened to a little bit of Afrobeat and all whatnot, and yeah, we're good to go. Whatever you're doing this weekend, factor in some fun. It does help. Okay. Take care. I'll leave you with the motto: unshakable is a state of mind. Take your state of mind with you everywhere you go. Be unshakable. Be in truth with yourself. Love yourself.